Hello friends, my name is Ms. Bhutani and today we learn about SOFA statistics tool. So these are some features of SOFA statistics tool like BT static output, database friendly, like it will easily connect with MySQL, Microsoft Access, SQLite, PostgreSQL and Microsoft SQL Server. It also provides a spreadsheet friendly environment. Also, data entry friendly, easy data recording, output you can share easily with others. It gives wide range of charts available like simple bar chart, clustered bar chart, pie chart, single multiple line chart, area chart, histogram, scatter plot, box plot, like etc. And it's also provide many main tests and measures made easy like row and column percentage with the ability of nested variables. Look ancestry and gender versus age, mean, median, lower quartile, upper quartile, standard deviation from end time, mean, max, range, and many more. Let's start. From this website, you can download SOFA Statistics tool. Here, there is four versions Windows, Ubuntu, Mac OS, and other Linux OS. We have downloaded and let's start. So this is the uh, homepage of the software. Here we get many options like get start. This is the homepage. There is also option for online help from where you can, if you stuck anywhere, you can take help. Select project. From here we can select and create project. We can create new project by adding our which SQL server, using which database, give details of database and start your working. Then there is option for preferences. It gives some preference to data. Then backup. We can take backup of our data we have created and analyze. Then we have option for enter and edit data. In enter and edit data, we can select database, and from database we can select table. Here we can create new table also, name, text, then age, numeric. By giving tab, we can add new row, insert date of birth, date. Here we have three types of data types: numeric, text, and date. Here we can give table name. Also, we can, by selecting any row, we can delete, like if we want to delete this, then select and click on delete. Also, insert new row using insert before. Now click on update. So table was created, and now we can add the data. By providing any format of date, it will convert its default format. So no need to worry about any specific format. From research column which we can research the column which. So now we can close. You can also delete a table by select table and then click on delete. Also, you can update the structure of table by design. Click on design. Make changes and click on update. So it will store the changes. Now we can close. Now we can import our data from Excel file or many other format. But currently we take data from Excel file. So give name student survey. We can give name to that table and click on import. So we can see the preview how our data was looked. And there is two options. There is in our data there is header row or no header row. So we can click on header row. So it will show that successfully imported. So click on OK, close. From enter data, we can see our added, and now we can open. So our data was imported. So this is the column filter data by like age, uh, age greater than 25. Give on reply. So there is only one record with 25 greater than 25 age, like GPA greater than less than 2.6. Apply. So there is it will also filter the data. Now we can close. From report table, we can do many things like measure the frequencies, like how many times it will repeat, data was repeat, cross tab. Using cross tab, we can do uh, cross tab of two columns, row state, data state. One by one, we can see each. From in frequency, we can select any column and click on OK. So we can get the output that you know how many unique values and how many times it will repeat. Also click on delete. We can remove that column and add another new column like gender. Click on OK. Now also there is option for add sub part like add under. We can give age. So gender wise it will give like first group by gender and then group by age like 20. We delete and add another like major. So it will give that how many females in accounting, how many female in economics, how many males are in undecided, how many CIS, like that. Also delete, also add multiple columns like employment. So it will give both different. Now we go to cross tab. In cross tab, we can first delete like gender versus major. So it will give gender versus major report. How many are how many female males are in here. Also we can add a sub. like age, click on OK. Then age wise, it will divide by age wise. And also, other side, we cannot like grade indentation. It will very helpful. It can do any types of data statistics. Now we can delete. So gender versus grade indentation. So we can see that two females are saying no, uh, five males are saying yes. Now go to row state. So here we can add gender and other side we can add salary. So it will give mean, median like that. From here we can select what we need to display. Here we can select all currently and give OK. So it will give all the like mean, median, standard deviation, mode, number of data, minimum, maximum, range, lower quartile, upper quartile, IQR, sum. It will very helpful. Also, we can add like grade indentation. Okay. Now we can see grade intention wise data. So there is gender and gender female and male. Then grade intention there is three no, undecided, yes. So we can analyze by that. Uh, Using data list, we can see the our data that we in our table like age. So we can get all the age, select other two, three columns also. So this is the data. Now we can close. We also see the number of total like gender. Okay, then click on total. It gives a sum. So we need to select numeric salary. So we can get sum like 533. Here also we can filter our data because of this. We can say, uh, I think there is now a salary. Let's go to another like chart. In chart, we can do pie chart, cluster bar chart, pie chart, line chart, many more charts. First, we create a bar chart. In bar chart, from select measure and in chart by we can select, but currently not selecting. And so we can get how many students are in economic, in international business, like that. By click on and charts by select vendor and show result. So we can get the data by vendor by like this is for specific female and build data specific for male. Also create cluster bar chart in that we can select. So it will give both in one chart. So multi for one data there are multiple columns. Here yellow color shows the male and orange color shows the female data. Then pie chart click on. So we can get pie chart also and it gives very attractive outputs like animations and many things. Then line chart, this is area chart, how many, how much area was covered, like time series, and not supporting this data. Now histogram, so it will give different. Here we can select nothing, and so there is. Here we can also select salary, so it will give histogram and selecting the normal curve, we also get the what was the curve of this data. This is normal curve. Here, in the, so here we can get the right skewed. This is normal curve, somewhat left skewed. In this section, we can do the regression like so. Then by selecting so regression line, we can show the regression line also. Here we can select gender, so it will convert at gender wise regression. So two regressions are in one. Then for spending also we can do. Then we can also show the box plot. So this is the box plot for spending by age and series by gender. Like orange shows the female and yellow shows the male. So this is the bar chart, box plot chart. We can also here this dot shows the outliers of our data and upper quarter, lower quarter, IQR, and many things. Below we can see outlier and display. What is the lower figure are 1.5 times inner quarter range, lower quarter minimum value, whichever is closest to and many things. We can also store it in report like so report and convert to bar chart, pie chart, so result. It everything is stored in one HTML file. Let's explore that. Click on view report so we can see whatever we can do by click on store in our HTML file. For that we need to select add also to report. In report tables there was also option for that like frequency add. So we can here option also add to report. Using that we can add in report. Let's click and now we can see that it was appended in our HTML file. So using this we can also make the report whatever we can done. So here we can get the error for statistics. Let's try. Currently we cannot do statistics. I think there is some bug in before version we can do. This latest version. So thank you for I learned many things like how to use SOFA statistics tool, many features. We can using the SOFA statistics. We can also do for live data using connecting uh, database, live database, making many bar charts, line chart, and many things. Box plot, regressions. I learned many things from this. Thank you.